Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is looking a mess, but in a minute I will be looking better. So I have a lot of errands to run today. I need to go to the bank so I can go get a deposit for my apartment. So excited. Then I'm going to get my hair done, so hopefully that, you know, we doing something big or whatever, maybe. But anywho, so yeah, so I'm about to do that, and I'm gonna try to make it to my appointment on time, because she already know, like, look, the struggle is real. Okay, the struggle is real. But I've been waiting for like 2 weeks to get my hair done, because I'm tired of wearing this bun looking like Tinkerbell or whatever. It's get very much Tinkerbell vibes. But yeah, so we're gonna do that today, and hopefully everything goes well with my apartment, and hopefully everything goes well by me getting to the freaking hair salon. So yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get there. Well, get to the my girl Tay, because she gonna do my hair, and I can't wait, because this look a mess. But anywho,
don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips, first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love slip away. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip slip away. Don't let that love stay. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. Now, don't let that love. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. No. So tonight you should go and take a chance where she could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted.
Now I'm about to go put on some clothes, y'all.
Don't let that